Hello everyone, this is Preeti Mishra. I am back with the shortcut method to factorize a cubic polynomial, that is cross method. This method is very helpful for various competitions. So let's have a cubic polynomial. I am having here 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6. So first step we will follow with the help of trial method. Means we have to try here some numbers on the basis of coefficient of x cube and constant term, and we have to check that after putting that numbers at the place of x whether they are making its value 0 or not. I have explained the trial method in detail in one of my videos. You can refer the link from description box. So here I am explaining you that for x is equals to 2, value of this equation is becoming 0. After replacing x everywhere in the given polynomial by 2, you are able to see here 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 minus 6 is equals to 0. So we can say x is equals to 2 is a 0 for this polynomial. So we got its 1 0 now. So next step is here you can see 2 is the coefficient of x cube, 3 is the coefficient of x square, minus 11 is the coefficient of x, and minus 6 is the constant term. So we will write all these numbers here in one row. Right now, as x is equals to 2 is a 0, it means x minus 2 is a factor for this polynomial. So we will take x is equals to 2 here like this. Now we will apply cross method. So here we are taking this number 2 as it is below the line. After cross multiplication means this 2 will get diagonally multiplied with this number, and 2 into 2 will give us 4. We will write here in its diagonal position below 3. So after adding these two numbers 3 and 4, we are getting 7 here. Again this 7 will be diagonally multiplied with this 2. So 7 into 2, we are getting 14. So we are going to write this 14 below minus 11. Now, after addition of these two numbers, we are getting 3. Again, in the same way, this 3 will be diagonally multiplied this 0, 2. Then this 3 into 2 is equals to 6. This 6 will be written here below this minus 6. Now you can see minus 6 into minus 6 plus 6 will be 0 here. So you will always get 0 at the fourth place, because now we are able to get its reduced form. Means we are having now cubic polynomial in the form of quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So now we will follow cross method to reduce this quadratic polynomial. I have explained this method in detail in my last video. You can refer the link from the description box for that too. So here you can see you are having 2 is the as the coefficient of x square and 3 is the constant term. So we have to take factor of 2 and factors of 3. So 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So we will have factors 1 and 2, and for 3 we will be having 3 and 1. So we will write here 1 and 2 along with x in the column format, as 1 is the smaller one. So we are writing here at first, and in the same way we are having here 3 and 1 written in the column format, but we are taking here 3 at first, which is the greater one factor of 3, because this method is based on little bit trial method also. Because here if we will write 1 and 3, then after multiplication 2 with the 1, it will give us 2x into 1 means 2x, and from here 1x. So we will not be able to receive here 7x, because here we need to get, after cross multiplication of these numbers, you can check here 2x into 3 is giving here 6x, and 1x into 1 is here 1x. So after adding these two terms 6x and 1x, we are getting 7x, which is our middle term in this polynomial. So always we have to check what factor we need to write at which place, right? Because when we will write here 1, we will not receive here the sum of these two terms as equal to middle term, which is our requirement. So be careful about writing the factors here. So after cross multiplication, we got this, and here we can see that we are getting this middle term just by adding these two numbers. Means we have to take here positive signs. So positive signs are here. Now we are able to get its linear factors. 1x plus 3 means x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. These are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So overall, we got the factors of our cubic polynomial. We are having x minus 2, x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this was the shortcut method to find out the factors of any cubic polynomial. I hope you understand this method very clearly. So thanks for connecting with me. That's all for this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.